60% of the time, that trick works every time. Okay, all right. The turbocharger housing is screaming spaceship landing pad to me. And once something like that gets in my head, I have a real hard time walking away from it. So let's make a spaceship landing pad, complete with lights and everything else, because you gotta have lights on a landing pad. But we're gonna need a spaceship too, and I have no plans for a spaceship. So we're kind of putting the cart before the horse here. But that horn mute, that thin aluminum horn mute, I think will make a decent spaceship. I just got to figure out how I'm going to attach things to it, because if I try to weld to it being thin aluminum, I'll probably burn a hole right through it. So, yeah, let's go that. Is it just me, or is that spaceship really starting to look like a spider? You know, I think I'm gonna run with that, and let's just own the spider angle, because I don't have a plan otherwise. Actually, you know what? Let me ask the guys. Yeah, it's just me, so we're gonna do a spider. I'll come back and finish the rest of this in a minute. that is it. That's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed making it. It did take me like a week and a half to make this one because I got very, very ill right in the middle of the week. But I am healed up and I am back in the saddle and I'm ready to rock and roll. It was actually a good thing because it gave me more time with these parts to think about it, because I really had no idea what I was going to do. So there it is. This is a spider jump ship and a landing pad. So if you are curious about any of the parts and pieces that I used to make this sculpture, I have links down below to all the tools, LEDs, soldering irons, different things that I used to make this. All the links are down below in the description, and they are Amazon affiliate links, so if you'd like to use any of those links to buy the stuff that I used to make this, it helps support the channel. So if you really like this, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. Either way,